A baby's cry has been voted one of the worst sounds on earth. Making it stop is the holy grail of parenting. I present to you Dr. Robert Hamilton. 23 million people have witnessed this pediatrician perform a miracle. Dr. Hamilton's technique, called the hold, works through folding the baby's arms across his chest, rocking it gently up and down, and maintaining a 45-degree angle hold on the baby. The doctor's explanation behind this technique is quite simple, as he believes it mimics the baby's experience in the mother's womb. By folding the baby's arms across his chest, it creates a sense of containment, so that's a sense of familiarity for them. Also, the gentle rocking motion mimics the sensation of floating inside the amniotic sac. Now, the 45-degree angle has nothing to do with comforting the baby, and everything to do with interesting the baby. Suddenly, they're at this angle that they're not used to experiencing, as usually they're on their backs to see the ceiling. Dr. Hamilton supports this through saying, this new combination of the familiar and the new provides a lot of stimuli that overwhelms the baby's instinct to cry. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a parent, a sibling, or a guest at someone's house, impress those around you with this simple trick and make that baby stop crying right now.